Welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. And what is today?
Sunday.
Sunday. And what is Sunday?
Shoutout Sunday.
Shoutout Sunday. My assistant here, my grandson Lucas, who you haven't seen in a while because he's been busy with what, Lucas?
Sports and school.
Right, sports and school. But he's here today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's not usually in my Shoutout Sundays videos, but
first time in one.
This is the first time he's in one, but he called me this morning, woke me up at 8 o'clock and said, I'd come over, and I said, okay. And then when he heard I was doing a video, what did you say? Can I be in it? And I said, okay. Lucas is going to tell us what channel we're shouting out today. Take it, Lucas.
Recipes tested.
Very good. Recipes tested. And the host of that channel is Breanna Robinson. Say her name again.
Breanna Robinson.
That's right. Hi, Breanna. So, you ask, Diva, why did Breanna start this channel? Well, let me tell you just a little bit about Breanna. Breanna is a wife. She's a stay-at-home mom of 2 adorable children. One of them is 2 and one of them is 6. And their names are Raylan, that's the boy, and Remington is the little girl. They are stinking cute. They're so cute. So anyway, often you'll see her kids in a few of the videos with her because she feels the same way I do. Get your kids into the kitchen. Keep them busy. Create wonderful memories. Lucas, you should know about creating memories in the kitchen, right?
Oh, when I was 1, we had...
What happened when you were little? What did you do?
One of the videos, I turned this on. I actually put it on 10 and went...
I know, you always remember that. But haven't you been baking with me since you were little?
Yeah.
And you've made a lot of videos with me too, right? And you've had fun and you've enjoyed them? Yeah. And maybe with the holidays coming, you think we're going to be making maybe some Christmas cookies? Sure. Okay. So anyway, Breanna, she found her passion in the kitchen. That's right. Nothing feels better to her than making a delicious home-cooked meal for her family. She's very, very comfortable in the kitchen. And when her family's home and her hubby gets home after a long day, she loves to have a nice meal ready for them. And she started out, she would see a lot of beautiful pictures in the cookbooks and in magazines and online. And these dishes look beautiful, Lucas. They look so beautiful. And then she would make them and not so much. They didn't really look or taste that good. And then she'd have to start all over again and repeat the recipes. The basis of her channel is she's going to take a recipe and she's going to try it out on video for you on YouTube, and then she's going to see how it comes out and how it tastes and if the family enjoys it. On her channel, you're going to find recipes that she's done that were on Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook. You know how you always see recipes on Facebook.
Instagram?
Well, yeah, maybe. Cookbook recipes and tasty and BuzzFeed recipes and much, much more.
The internet?
Yeah, on the internet, yeah. And you will, oh, you know what? You will see her testing recipes. She tested one from Olive Garden. And it was called Olive Garden's Zuppa Toscano dish. Now, I've never had it, but I watched her make it, and she said it's delicious. So there you go. She wants to try these recipes. They're tried and true by her, right in front of you, to see if she likes them. Also, let me see. Oh, Laura in the Kitchen. Laura in the Kitchen. She made Laura in the Kitchen's pumpkin spice meringue cookies. She's made several of Laura in the Kitchen's recipes. And also Starbucks. You know Starbucks' famous lemon loaf cake. She has a video on there making that. And from recipes from Magnolia Table. You'll see quite a few on there from that. So Breanna loves testing all of these recipes. She also has a section, Lucas, on her playlist. Do you know what a playlist is? Yeah. Lucas is on YouTube a lot, right? Yeah. You like to watch videos on YouTube? So she has some, on her playlist, some like different categories. And you'll see on there that she has one category that's Robinson's Family Favorites. And there are recipes on there that she especially likes. And you know what? She has a recipe on there that was her grandmother's. And her grandmother, it was written in her grandmother's own hand. And she's had it all this time. I think she even had it, she set up on her refrigerator. And I'm going to insert a picture too, where you'll see the actual written recipe. And it was from her, for her grandmother's mocha walnut cookies. And I even responded, I made a comment on that video saying, I am anxious to try those. And she put the recipe in the description box below. Another thing, there is adorable, oh, there goes the clock, Lucas. Ding, 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 ding. All my subscribers are familiar with that clock. They hear it in all the videos. Oh, you have to see this video. She has a video of her 6-year-old son, Raylan, and he is making jack-o'-lantern quesadillas. And he was so proud of himself. He did such a great job on that video.
How do you make it?
Well, you'll have to see the video and find out.
Tell them how you make
No, it's not my job. It's Raylan's job to tell him. But he was so professional on his video. And he was so proud that he did it all by himself. And he really did a great job. Also, she's done a couple of lives on there. I believe she's had the kids on both of her lives with her. And oh, I know, also, one day her family went out and visited a fire station. And they got a tour of the fire station, and I think they rode, or they, went on the fire engine, and they really enjoyed that. So, Breanna's channel is really very nice. What's the name of the channel again, Lucas?
Recipes Tested.
Recipes Tested. So if you want to see Breanna test some fantastic recipes from all different sources, you'll have to go on this channel and check her out. Her channel's really interesting, and there's so many great recipes on there. And you know the reason, many of you that follow me every Sunday, you know the reason why I do Shout Out Sunday. Because everybody needs a little help from their friends, right, Lucas? Everybody needs a little help from their friends. And we're small YouTube channels. Last time I looked, I think Breanna had, let me check and see. I wrote it down here. I think she had 556 subscribers, and we want to get her more, right, Lucas? And, we're small YouTube channels. We get lost in YouTube land, don't we? With all those big channels that have
Google land.
Yeah, all those channels Lucas knows that have like 1 million subscribers. We get lost.
Grandma, Google him. Google.
Yeah, I know.
Google,
And
Google.
if somebody doesn't recognize them and shine the spotlight on them, nobody will ever find them.
Grandma,
So
that was a tongue twister. Google.
I know. So I want all of you to head on over to Breanna's channel. What is it again?
Recipes tested.
Recipes Tested. Show her a little love. That's right. Show her a little love. Smash that subscribe button and ring that little bell and have it say all. And I know she'll be very grateful to all of you. Don't forget, tell her the Baking Diva sent you, right? And I think you're going to really, really enjoy it. So, what I should say, and I almost forgot to mention, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what should they do? They should go to what?
The Baking Diva.
The Baking Diva's channel and smash my red subscribe.
And hit the bell for more notifications.
And hit the
when
bell.
When she makes a new video.
Yeah, you get a notification every time I make a new video.
I know that because of YouTube.
I know. And we have a lot of great videos coming up for the holidays that you won't want to miss. And anyway, we both want to thank you so much for tuning in to Shoutout Sunday. And what I want to remind you is every Sunday, come on back and check out Shoutout Sunday, because you never know when you might be the channel
You guys.
that I shout out. So have a wonderful Sunday, everyone. Take care, and we will see you all very soon. What do we say?
Toodles!
Toodles!